hello guys, welcome back to another video and today we are playing Builder. See how much shit I can get using this table. There we go, that's better. Okay, we ran out of fuel. Oh, it just exploded. First of all, let me remove all of my car. And the event just ended. We build it here, right over here, like this. Run out of buy blocks real quick. Go like that, like that, and then let's put the seat here, the shaders here, there, and there, the fuel, maybe not there, here, and here, 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 right over here. Okay, let's ready up and let's go. Okay, let's buy more fuel. And there's a little trick when you can get 3,000. I'll show you after I get 100 shillings. It only works when you have 100 shillings. Above that, it will still work. You have to buy a shader, like the one right here. You must buy this. Let's go. So I just end up at the same place. Trying to get 1,000 quickly. Then there we go. Okay, you go here, scroll down until you find this, then you buy one of them. And if you see what, last time I played this game, it actually worked. It isn't working. I don't know why it isn't working, but place this here, the way there. Let me just buy on a block to make all of this even. No. that. Ready? Keep falling through the ground. It's way bigger. I just need more fuel. Was it 40? What can I buy? Okay, like, who wants to buy a wood block? Wow. Okay, I need a lot and a lot and a lot. I don't enough to buy my fuel canisters. Just buy those, those, those. Only one. Go. Okay. Now let's buy more fuel. Now in stock. Just put on right there. Right there. The 100 shilling. Because I'm gonna get 100 shillings from this round. Out of fuel. Loaded. Let's continue. Yes, I can buy another shader. Is it only this shader? There's only one shader. This one. I just bought the last one. Now I need to wait 4 minutes for a restock. 3 minutes or two. I need one minute for another restock. I can cover more ground. How am I supposed to play? My game lagging or what? Can't control it. Continue just driving. So going finally there. I can go full speed. The game is lagging so hard. Okay, it's ready. Stop. 3, 2, 1. Can buy one of those. And I don't need another thing right now. block. No, them actually. I've just enough to buy one fuel and place. And let me just pick up. Nope, not there. Yes, there and there. There, that there, and that there. I need another 100 bucks. That's what I didn't make it for. Okay. We're out of here. 90. Yay, good 90. Now we have 102. Now, so there, can I get one of your shredders? Thank you very much. Like that. Now we are covering more ground. Try to go in a straight line. It's like scrolled. I really have to fall through the game. I have to do this line again. It's gonna jump up. Roll dead. No. Story stop in 1 minute. There we go. I need a block. There, can I get 2 blocks, please? And 1 fuel canister. Like that right over here. And then let's pick up this. Put the block there, there, there. Then a wheel. Then a shader. Then I pick up this. The block for. Then a wheel. And I'm ready to go. Yeah, covering more area. Continue going. Yeah, try actually to. Oh, nah, bruh. This exploded because of a tree. So it must not bump into a tree. I thought it will give you more money. This will be all for the video. And if you want to see more like this, build a tractor, please like and subscribe. Bye guys.